PACC, mas maraming kapangyarihan yun. Maraming ang di ba, napakulong, nakasuhan, di ba? Yun pa lang yung unang act mo is to abolish. That tells you a lot about this administration. At that point in time, he was not an anti-corruption advocate. Right? 3 years from now, what happened? Belated na nalaman niya na may ganyan. So bakit mo inalis? If you really knew your history and the degree of corruption there is in every administration, you wouldn't want a PACC. So I don't understand whatever came to his head that his first act was alisin yan. So ibig mo sabihin ngayong after 3 years, belatedly anti-corruption advocate ka?